Yes, I did it! Oh my god! Okay, hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. And yes, that intro took me a really long time so I could get the case right into frame right after shining the blue light testing at you. But you guys aren't here to hear about how long and what I did in order to get the perfect intro. You guys are here to see my part 2 of testing out my blue light glasses to see if they really work Amazon review. If you guys haven't seen part 1 to this video, it'll be in the link in the description. And you guys should click on that video, watch it, and then come back to this video so you guys could hear all about the specifics of these glasses, because I'm not really going to get into that in this video. Because in that video I showed everything the glasses came with and what it does. But in this video we're going to just be testing the blue light glasses to see if they actually filter blue light. So, in the last video, if you guys don't remember, I will replay the clip in a second. But in the last video, these glasses came with these weird silicone frosty clear things. And I couldn't figure out how to put them on. Let's roll the clip really quickly. Alright, you're back. So, yeah, as you could tell, I really couldn't figure out how to put these on. And I promise you guys that I will figure out how to put it on for this next video. And so I did a lot of research on these to figure out like how you put them on and what they're used for. I've gone into their Amazon website, read everything they said, watched their videos, watched other people's videos of like explaining what they do. And no one really knew. So I was like, you know what? How about I try these out myself and try to figure out like how they fit and what they do. So I did, and I figured out that they are basically useless. Okay, so basically how you put these on is you look for the hole on both edges, and you have to use one of the holes that fits the end of your glasses. One of them didn't fit my glasses and the other one did, so use whatever hole works, and then you're gonna stick it in. And so basically, it takes a lot of muscle to put it in, and even once you get it in, it like doesn't even go all the way through, but you want to make sure that when you put it in, it's facing downwards. And basically what it does is it's supposed to cling to your ears so that it won't fall off of your ears when you're wearing them, but this doesn't even work for me. So I think that these are a complete gimmick because these don't even reach my ears. But now that we've got that covered, let's get on to the actual testing part of these glasses. So if you don't remember, these glasses came with this testing card. So first we're going to check that the whole testing area gets filled up when I shine the blue light that it came with on it. So the whole card does get completely filled up when I shine the blue light on it. It does disappear really quickly because it's not going to stay on the card forever. But it says that these lenses that the glasses came with filter 85% of the blue light. So first we're going to just try out what they said on the testing card before we test anything else out, which is just putting the lenses on and seeing if the blue light goes through the lenses. So I'm just going to put it like this, and I'm going to count to 5 when I'm putting on the lenses. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then right here, we're going to put it a little bit. We're just gonna go like that, kind of. All right, let's see. Okay, well, it does seem like it filtered. The lens did filter this. The next test we have is that. We're gonna put a plastic plate right here on the testing card and see if the blue light filters through it. Because this card might just be where you put like a plastic on it, the blue light doesn't filter through it. But we're gonna just test this out and see. So I'm gonna take a little design that they have right here, if you guys can see that, and put it on the glasses, on the testing card right here. And we're gonna put the blue light on it, and let's hope that the blue light shows up, because if it doesn't show up, that means that there's something wrong with this testing card, and that this is a complete rip-off. So we're just gonna do it like that, just like we did to the other thing. We're gonna put it on. Alright, well it does seem like it did not filter the blue light, so far this is passing.
so the next experiment that I decided that I should do is to take aluminum foil, wrap it around the testing card, and shine blue light on it. When I was going to do this experiment, I had a feeling that the blue light wouldn't shine through because it is completely sealed, but I still wanted to try out this experiment because I thought it would be fun to see what happens. And stay tuned, let's see what happens. Alright, let's unwrap it. Oh, okay, I was right. So the blue light does not filter through the aluminum foil because it is completely sealed, but I have a genius idea. How about we put aluminum foil in our eyes and then blue light won't filter through it? Guys, I'm totally kidding. Do not do that. It was a total joke, but I was right. So let's move on to the next experiment. And by the way, so far it's passing, I think. Alright, so the next experiment that we're going to do is we're going to put a glass cup on the testing card and then shine the blue light on it and see if the blue light goes through it or not. We want the blue light to go through it because if it doesn't, that means that there is something wrong with the card. And when you put plastic or glass on it, it doesn't shine through. So fingers crossed it shines through it. Alright, well, it did shine through it, but if you guys can't tell, where the cup was, it is a little lighter than where the cup wasn't. So something about this card is a little sketchy. So that is why I have our last test that we're going to do, which does not need the card. So we can see if these glasses actually work and if the card is a lie. Alright guys, so this last experiment you guys get to do with me. And I'll pop it up on the screen after I'm done explaining what we do. So this right here is a color scale. And on the color scale, we have a couple of different colors. Alright, so the first color that we have is the blue light. The second color is the green light, and the last color is red. So basically what's supposed to happen is when you put your blue light glasses on after I pop up the thing on the screen, the blue light should almost completely disappear, the green should become darker than what it is, and the red should stay the same. So if it does not work, then that means that your blue light glasses do not completely filter out blue light or maybe don't even work. But before we do this experiment, I just want to put a disclaimer out there. I am no scientist. I don't know if this is a completely true thing, but I'm just doing this for fun to help you guys see if your blue light glasses actually work. So now, let's do the experiment.
I'm so scared. Alright, I'm going to put the blue light glasses on and look. You guys look too. I'm gonna pop it up on the screen right now. Are you ready? 3, 2, 1. Put your blue light glasses on.
Alright guys, did it work for you? For me, it sort of worked. I mean, the green didn't change color at all, but the blue did half disappear. I could barely see it, but it was still there. I think that's why it said it filters 85% of the blue light, because it was still there, but not all the way there. The green was completely there. It didn't change color at all, so I don't really know about that. But I guess the glasses aren't a scam. I'm really hoping they aren't a scam because I really want these to work. I mean, when I've been using them lately, I've been feeling less strain on my eyes and less headaches. So for my opinion, they do work. And if you guys want me to do more testing on them, then don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on those post notification bell so you guys are notified each time a new video comes out. And maybe I'll do a part 3 to this and use new testing methods. And I can't wait to see you guys in the next one.